the city mouse and the country mouse. This is a city mouse. He lives in a big city with tall buildings and lots of shops and restaurants. But today he is visiting his friend, a country mouse. The country mouse lives in a cozy nest at the bottom of a tree. Her home is small but is warm and comfortable. The country mouse cooks a dinner of food from her garden: corn, carrots, onions, and a cold glass of water from the stream. Meanwhile, the city mouse talks and talks. The city is amazing. I go to the theater and the museum. My house had 20 rooms. You absolute must visit. Have you ever tried Chinese food? That Ning the country mouse dreams that she lives in the city. She dreams that she eats of fancy restaurants, says fancy things, and busy fancy that from fancy stories. She dreams about eating Chinese food. How wonderful! She thinks I want to live in the city too. The next morning, the country mouse agrees to visit the city mouse. She picks her big envelopes. The city mouse back to his big house in the city. The house in Anmores. There are 20 rooms full of beautiful furniture. The country mouse is amazed. Which room is mine? She asks. We actually live down here, says the city mouse. He lives here down some trains to the basement. In the drunkest, the country mouse sees many families of mice. These are my housemates, explained the city mouse. The city mouse leads the country mouse back upstairs for dinner. In the dining room there is a feast of delicious food and the table. Cheese, bread, cookies, cake, and lemon. There is also Chinese food, bus juice, a day start food, eat, cars, a cat with sharp teeth and sharp claws jumps on the table. The city cat kisses the two mice off the table and across the floor. The mice hid in a hole in the wall. They are trapped. They wait silent until the cat leaves. Then the quest creep back to the dining room. But all the food is gone. The city humans at everything. The country mouse hurries back to the basement, egg pack her bag. Where are you doing? Asked the city mouse. Home, she says. I want to go back to the country. Your city life is so wonderful after all. No, please help me call a taxi. Moral: sometimes other people's lives are not as great as they make you believe. Thank you.